So your bust divide by 2 plus 2 inches. That's what I'm marking. Bust divided by 2 plus 2 inches. Then I marked it. After marking it, I proceeded to divide this box into 2. I divided the box into 2. After dividing the box into 2, you proceed to put down your measurements. So I'm taking 3 by 3 inches for my neck depth and my neck width, and then I ruled it with my ruler. After that, I proceeded to put in my chest measurement. That is your bust divide by 6 plus 1 plus 1.5 inches. That's what I used. So after that, you put in your shoulder measurement and then you mark. Then after putting in your shoulder measurement, you come down by 1.5 inches for your shoulder slope. Then you come down by 1.5 from your chest line to get your nipple to nipple point. The neck depth and neck width for the back is 3 by 1 inches. Then after that, you put in your shoulder measurement the way we did for the front, but for the back we are coming down by 1.5 inches. So from the 1 inch you divide it by 2 and then come in by 0.5 inches to avoid gaping of the armpit, and then you mark. You put in the same for the front slope, but you come in by 0.5 inches for the front, 0.75 inches for the front. Then put in your bust measurement. My bust is 36 divided by 4, which is 9 inches. You can add 0.5 inches for allowance. Then you do the same for the back too. So for the back measurement, I came up by 1.5 inches, which is my back slope. My back slope is 15 inches. Okay, so the difference between my front and the back, I'm taking it out from the downside, from the length of the pattern paper. So my front measurement, that's my waist. I'm imputing my waist now. My waist is 17 inches, so that's what I'm marking. So the waist to my hip inches is about 18 inches. That's what I'm marking now. So after that we put in our back length inches. That's the difference is 1.5, like I told you, 1.5. So that's what I'm putting. The difference between my front and back is 1.5 inches. So to avoid zip bulge, I'm going in by 0.5 inches from the waist of the back. I'm going in by 0.5 inches. Then from the waist, I mark my hip line. So that's what I'm marking now, my hip line for the back. So from your shoulder, you get your underburst. My underburst is 12.5. So from your back waist, you go in by 0.5 inches and then connect it. After that, you mark your bust span. My bust span is 4. You mark your bust span and then mark it to your bust point and then connect it. After that, you go in by 0.5 inches from the waist and then connect it to your bust point. Do the same to your knee, to your hip line. Go up by 1 inch as shown and then connect that leg back to your waist as shown. Input your measurement, your waist measurement, and then connect it to your bust span, and then plus 1 inch that intake, and connect the lines back to your hip. After that, you mark your dart for your back. I'm taking 4 inches from the back. Remember to go up by 1 inch from your hip line, and then go down again by 1 inch from your chest line. So this is the outcome. I'm going to put my dart intake, my bust dart. Don't forget to put your bust dart. I always forget, I don't know why, but don't forget to put your bust dart. So from your shoulder, you come down by any desired length. If you want your bust exposed, you can come down by 8 or 9 inches. Me, I'm coming down by 7 inches as shown. And then you connect the line. Then from your shoulder, go in by 1 inch and then connect the line back. I want to open the neckline by 1 inch. Place your French curve the way I placed mine to get an accurate line. From your waist, go down by 1 inch, and then from your hip line, go down by 1 inch and connect it to look like a basque. You do the same for the back length. After that, go in by 1 inch from the back and connect it back, and then cut out your piece. That is just basically it. Now you go over to the the sewing part as soon as possible, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I'm closing the dart, the front dart. I don't want the dart to show on the cloth, so I'm closing it. So this is the pattern, and this is how it looks like. Okay, you can place it on your fabric of your choice and then cut out. So this is the back piece. This is the back piece and the two front piece. Remaining the gathers, you can cut the gather any length you want.